Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and this video is all about May 2021's Stamp-A Greeting. So Stamp-A Greeting is all about making 8 cards, 2 each of 4 different designs. I supply all of the card packets, which include the cardstock, the embellishments, and the ribbon that you'll need for the 8 cards. I also include a printout that has pictures of the cards and all the measurements in case you want to make the cards again. And then I'll supply a video, a how-to video that you can watch at your own leisure to make your cards. Now you'll need to supply the stamp set and the ink. Let me show you what I use to make my sample cards. I use black Memento ink, and this time I use the Peaceful Moments stamp set. Now, as usual, you'll have to supply your adhesive. I suggest dimensionals, glue dots, tape runner, and liquid glue. And this month in my video, I'm going to use a silicone mat and a Stampin' sponge to apply my glue to my cardstock. A few other supplies that you need, just your basic card making supplies, are a pair of paper snips, a bone folder, and then I suggest some kind of pokey tool or a pickup tool, one of the others for your embellishments, and then of course you'll need the blocks for your stamp set. So let me show you those cards again. Like I said, it's 8 cards, 2 each of 4 different designs. We got the cute kid dinosaur card, another happy birthday card, a beautiful anniversary or wedding card, and of course our fancy fold pop-up card here. My Stamp-A Greeting packets are $25. That includes shipping. I'll accept orders until May 15th or while supplies last, and then I'll ship out the packets and the video link, supply the video link the week of May 17th. So if you have any questions, be sure and let me know. I'd love to help you out. I hope you can join us this month for a Stamp-A Greeting. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.